Brent, and this is Live Free and Toolin', and today I'm going to test something that I was a little apprehensive about testing. Someone from, I guess, AliExpress wanted me to test this right here, and if you see that, you're going to see the lines, and it is 3D printed. Now here, just take a quick look. You can see that right there. You can tell it's 3D printed on the bottom. This is injection molded 100%, but it's screwed together, and I think it's like 200,000 rotations per minute. And they use different batteries, so they adapt to a lot of things. I opted for the Milwaukee because they just didn't have the Ryobi. And I thought honestly, I just felt like it was kind of like a little hard to believe, if you would, because 200,000 RPMs, but it is a brushless motor. You can feel that. It has some pretty big openings on the back. I'm just interested to see how it looks and how it feels, so fits really good. All right, here we go. Okay, has a little light. Whoa. Oh my, wow, that was a bit much. That had thrust, that actual thrust. That was kind of a little scary. You know what? Dude, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I've been waiting for. Unencumbered, pure, raw power. Are you kidding me? That is amazing. Yeah, I wanted a tool that would make me a little scared. I wanted something with not a lot of safeties on here. Oh, holy shit. That almost, that almost took my whole finger in there. So, let me just tell you this. It's exciting, a little scary. This is what I've been waiting for, is something to raw power, maximum power, using the full capacity of a battery. This thing is unbelievable. This is the strongest handheld blower I have ever felt in my life. All right, I've got to do some testing. My God, it's so loud. It's so loud. 60, here you go. 62 miles an hour right there. And the temperature, let's change the unit real quick. Let's do feet per minute. That is 5,903 feet per minute. So 5,493 feet per minute. You can see right there. That was insane, but it's ultra loud, so we're going to see a decibel meter here. Usually you do it about 50 feet away. Whatever, I'm going to do it right here. Let's get the LED on. I'm talking right now for me here, it's 84 dB, something like that. So I'm going to do it right here. All right, so right around 105. Let's do max. Okay, not bad. It's 102. I don't know if you can see that. It's 102, so it's really loud. But holy crap, we've got to test this out. Let's get out there. Let's just go crazy and see what we can do with it. All right, we're going to blow some of these leaves right here, going into my backyard. Some just leftover leaves. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that water. Whoa, my God, this thing is so strong. All right, I have some arborvitaes right here, and it's got some water on it. Can you see the water? I don't know if you can see that, but let's see. All right, so I'm going to take a tennis ball and I'm going to see how far I can actually blow it. Let's see here. I got the tennis ball, I've got the blower here, and I actually have a 3-inch vent pipe where I installed, you can see that, stainless steel. It's a really nice pipe. So I'm going to put this right in there. Let's see, it'll just fit. Let's put it through here, and let's see if I can launch this thing way out there. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh, it's still rolling. All right, let's do another one. We'll call that our control. How about that? All right, we want to put it in here again. It does have like a little ridge. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but all right. All right, it's all the way down. Do it again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Oh, but look at that. All right, we'll do one more just to make sure that we're being honest here. All right. And 3, 2, 1. This has got to be well over, it's like almost 50 feet to here. Going back from the other location to here. See, this is one ball, this is the third one. I hit some taller grass. And look at these two. So I got my control here, and then that's the second one. And let's make it go further. And let's see how this thing just blows water. It's so strong. Let's see here. All right, here we go. What do we got? What? This is crazy. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This thing is... So that's it, you all. This thing right here, oh, it's wet now. I blew the lake. I did all the crazy stuff with it. This right here is the craziest handheld fan I have ever tried in my life. I am so glad that I accepted the tool review whenever they sent it to me. Now, this is sold on like AliExpress or something. I'm going to post a link down below. What I would really appreciate if you all go down below and just go check it out yourself. Let me know what you think. It's almost impossible. The raw power that you get from this thing is absolutely insane. Hands down, never felt anything like it before. If you want excitement, try this thing out. Buyer beware, though. There are some risks, but hey, when there's risk, there's also excitement. And when it comes to tools, boy, is this thing ultra exciting. I can't believe how amazing it is. It's not cheap. Hey, it's not cheap. Anything awesome is not going to be cheap, but go check it out for yourself because you may think it's cheap. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. I hope that you all enjoyed this tool review. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. And until next time, take care.